Now step 3. Before we start designing, you need to choose a theme. A theme is basically a template that controls how your store looks, the layout, the fonts, and the style. Think of it like choosing the interior design for your storefront. You're not locked into it, you can customize everything, but the theme gives you a starting point so that you're not starting everything from scratch. In your left side navigation, click Online Store. And here you can see we've been automatically routed into the submenu Themes. In the center of the screen, you can see that our default theme is Horizon version 3.5.0. Horizon is Shopify's newest default theme. It's built with a block-based system that gives you much more control over your layout, and it loads faster than older themes. It also gives you access to some of their newest AI features. On the right side here, you can see the Edit Theme button. This is what we'll click to edit our store. If you scroll down, you will see this Design Your Store in Seconds bubble. And if you type a prompt in here, you can generate a theme that's unique to your store. However, each theme has different features, so if you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, I don't recommend doing this. That said, if you want to choose your own adventure, by all means go ahead, it is a very cool feature. You can scroll down and browse other free themes here too, but Horizon is a great choice and it's what we'll use for this tutorial. Now, Shopify sometimes runs split tests and changes which theme new stores get by default. So if you don't see Horizon as your current theme, here's how to switch. Scroll down to this popular free theme section, find Horizon, click Add. Then when it loads in your theme library, click the Publish button to make it your active theme.